Hi, everyone. I am the global head of people analytics at Kraft Heinz. So we make food. It's something that people need these days. When WHO announced that declared the pandemic a couple weeks ago now, seems like it's been a long time, the leadership team reached out to me and said, hey, we have this idea. We want to overlay the Johns Hopkins data with our employee footprint, and we need these ASAP. We realized PowerPoint may not be the best tool, and we heard that you're great at Tableau. So we got together as a team, and of course, as a good consultant, the first question I asked was, what business problem are we trying to solve? Who is going to consume this data? And then what will you do with the information once you have it? So I want to walk through how we got there. And I can share my screen here in a second. So as we got together, okay, so I have walked through the process of getting to the data. So starting with the business problem we're trying to solve. So the leadership told me that, look, the mac and cheese are flying off the shelves. People want these more than ever. We can't make enough of them. As a food company, it's such a privilege to work for a food company, but it comes with responsibilities to make sure the stores are stocked with food, and we need to ensure business continuity. With that, we need to figure out where we might have risk in terms of employees not being able to come to work because of the virus, supply chain risk, logistics, as you think about that. So once we identify the problems, then I ask the question of what action will you take if we knew the answers? And then we got to the data. And that's the process we follow for this project. So far, we have gotten together the external sources of data, obviously employee footprint, and internally we started to track what is happening at different locations so that we can have real-time risk assessment on where we might run into issues, and then be able to shift as a business to create and continue to produce the most important product for the world. So as a takeaway, I suggest, for those of you who are in this space, to maximize the value you create for the business. Don't start with the data. You will be constrained by what you have instead of what you need to have. Start with the problem.